Hi there, students. I had a question from Thomas Shikalepo saying, what's the meaning of nothing to write home about? And I thought, I've got a video on this, so I went to look for it, and I discovered I don't. Okay, if something's nothing to write home about, it's very ordinary. Yeah, it doesn't distinguish itself. It's very just about passable. My daughter always laughs at me with this one. So, it's okay, nothing to write home about. Instead of, it's okay. If I say it's okay, then it's not very exciting. So, if something's nothing to write home about, it's not exceptional, it's not worthy, it's not especially good. The scenery in the place we went on holiday was really beautiful, but the hotel was nothing to write home about. Not very exciting, rather dull and boring. The dessert that we had at our meal was absolutely delicious, but the main course was nothing to write home about. Not really very interesting. Let's see, this comes from the old days where people used to write letters. My grandmother used to write me a letter every week when I was a kid. And if something's really interesting, well, you include it in your letter home. Dear Mother and Father, I am well. I went to a restaurant last week and the food was absolutely fantastic. Okay, I've written home about it because it was exceptional. And you can actually use the phrase something to write home about in the positive sense. It really was something to write home about. It was really good quality. It was okay. Yeah. But this nothing to write home about, so it's not something you would include in a letter when you were writing home because it's just so drab and unexceptional and boring and things like that. Okay, so nothing to write home about. Formality, yes. I think I'd probably give this. I think I'd give it a 4 in formality. I think definitely in an informal conversation, definitely in a semi-formal conversation. In a semi-formal writing, maybe just. And the meaning, well, we've seen that very clearly. So I hope this video was really excellent. It was really something to write home about. I hope it wasn't nothing to write home about. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Nothing to write home about, and something to write home about.